So Meyle or Meyle HD, they say they're better than OE. Anyway, by the time this needs to be replaced again, pretty sure I would have moved on to the next car. Oddly enough, well, maybe it's not oddly, it was just funny timing how my SRT8, I have a 300C SRT8, and the lower control arms went bad, and the ball joint, the upper control arm ball joints went bad. They're replaceable. It's not like this one. It was actually an SPC ball joint where it's bolt on, you can take it off. So that wasn't too hard of a DIY. And those ball joints were horrible. So I changed the lower control arms first. Everything was fine. Got in alignment. Went down to Tampa, drove down to Tampa from Alpharetta, Georgia. That's in North Atlanta for those who don't know. Drove down to Tampa, and third or fourth day down in Tampa, I'm hearing these noises. I'm like, what is that? And he just got a little bit worse over time. And I'm like, man, I just replaced all this stuff on it. What's going on now? And it was the upper ball joint that just they both just went at the same time. I should be able to get that in there without. Okay. All right. So as you can see, better to put this first. So no matter what car you have, you're gonna run into this problem where you have to change your suspension parts after you get X amount of miles on there. Some last longer than the others, and it depends on what you're doing, how you're driving, how long she's gonna last, and the weather also makes a big difference as well. You northern folks taking this boat off, oh my God! If you guys haven't seen this already, you probably have. Go look at the videos where they have to actually take a torch. They're banging like crazy. I mean, I didn't have to do all that. This car has only been in Florida and Georgia. So the Meyle HD comes with new bolts. So I'm assuming these bolts are stretchable. They stretch the torque specs. And as I said earlier, these in the back, 40 Newton meters. And this one here is 50. And we're gonna tighten up this one now. And we tighten this up after we jack this up so we can put load on there. For those who don't understand that, this is not at the height, it's ride height, right? So if I tighten it now, these rubber bushings are going to be stretched when it gets back to ride height, and they're going to stay stretched, so they're going to prematurely wear because they're being stretched all the time. So every once in a while when you take the car to get worked on, yes, it's going to hang down, but it's not hanging down for miles and miles, months and months, years and years. So it's okay when they work on it, but when you have the car on the ground, you want to have it at the right spot because of it's going to stay that way. Anyway, let's go ahead and let's put the bolts on here. I'm going to tighten this one up. I was going to do the upper strut mount, but man, this weather's so nice right now. I want to get out and enjoy it. So that'll be in the next video. Now, unfortunately, this is not going to fit in here. I won't be able to get this on. I need to get it on this side, but I've been wrenching for a while, and I know I have that at least 40 pounds. At least 45 to 50 pounds on that side, and I know I didn't go over like 70, so this will be fine. And that's it. Time to put the car down and go enjoy this beautiful weather.